Hello guys and welcome to Techistant. So today we will learn how to update your background for your desktop to update the wallpaper in Windows 10 PC. So right click on the desktop and go to personalize and click browse, and if you have got any saved images wherever at your location, for example in my PC I have pictures under this, and if I select any of it and choose the picture and choose a fit as fill to fill the whole desktop, and to see the changes come to desktop, it's changed. For example, if you want to start a slideshow, you can go here, go to browse. Again, if you want to select any of the folder which contains the pictures, just click choose this folder and give the picture change, for example 30 minutes or 1 minute, whatever the time you want to give, and it will change after 30 minutes whatever the images you have got in that. And if you want to give a solid color to this, you can select any of your favorite color and it will be updated in the background. And moreover, if you want to add more wallpapers, go to Google and type in Windows wallpapers and go to the official website here for the Microsoft, that is support.microsoft.com. Go to that page, and once on this website, for example I will choose places and landscapes. Let's go for this get horseshoe falls here, and whatever you want to download, you need to just select the theme, and accordingly you will get all the wallpapers here. So once you click here, it will take you to this page. Right click on this one and click save image as, and wherever you want you can save it. For example, here it is saved under pictures. Click save. Once it's downloaded, go back to your settings, that is right click, go to personalize and select picture. If you want that particular picture which you downloaded, click on that picture and click on choose picture, and it will be updated in the background. So this is how you update your desktop background wallpapers. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.